Today I am going to demonstrate a technique using natural coconut milk to fry curry paste. Most people would use oil to fry curry paste when they make curry, soup, or stir fry. However, I am very thankful for a dear friend of mine, Mr. Chu Wang, for sharing his knowledge in using natural coconut milk to fry curry paste. So thank you, Mr. Chu Wang, for your kindness. And so let's get to my stove. I am going to demonstrate using natural coconut milk to fry curry paste for any kind of cooking that calls for curry paste. As I mentioned earlier, this is a demonstration using my dear friend Mr. Chu Wang's technique of using just natural coconut milk to fry curry paste for any kind of dish that you're cooking without using oil. So the ratio in this cooking is half cup curry paste per 1 can 14-ounce coconut milk. In this case, I am making a pot of soup, and so I need to use more paste. In this bowl, I have 1 cup of red curry paste. Therefore, the ratio that I'm going to be using is 2 cans 14-ounce coconut milk. So what you need to do is simply shake the coconut milk. Just shake it, okay, to make sure everything is blended inside. Just shake the coconut milk. And then open up the coconut milk. This is a long process. For this much curry paste, it usually takes me about 1 hour or over an hour to get it ready. Just pour all of the coconut milk into the wok. Keep in mind that when frying curry paste, I like to use a non-stick wok instead of stainless steel, because non-stick wok, because the cooking time it's so long that non-stick wok gives me a better result. So I'm pouring all the coconut milk into the wok, and then I turn on the heat. I'm going to wait until the coconut milk in the wok starts bubbling. Then I will add the rest of the ingredients. The coconut is boiling, so then I'm adding the curry paste, adding all the curry paste into the wok. And then I'm going to reduce the heat to low. Frying curry paste with coconut milk, we have to fry it in very low heat. So now I'm reducing heat to low, and then just mix in the coconut milk and curry paste together very gently. I don't add the shrimp paste yet. I'm going to wait until the coconut milk is more evaporated. Then I can add the shrimp paste. Now that I have the paste and the coconut milk mixed well, I'm going to increase the heat to bring it to boil, and then reduce the heat to low again. So now I want it to bring it to boil. Now that I see the paste is boiling, I'm reducing the heat down again, reducing to low, and then just cook the paste, stir the paste very gently on a continued basis to prevent it from getting it burned. Yeah. So I'm setting my timer for 1 hour, to fry the paste. Now I'm adding my shrimp paste into the wok. Again, because I'm making chicken curry soup with vermicelli noodle. The shrimp paste adds flavor and aroma into the broth. But if this is a personal preference, if you don't like shrimp paste, you can omit it. You don't need to use it. It does take a lot of patience, a lot of time, as I mentioned earlier, but it's coming out beautiful. The red color oil, it's natural oil coming out of the coconut milk that we added to fry with the paste. So it is beautiful.